While everyone else has lost optimism and faith in any kind of growth, the market is gearing up for a major new move. Today we're breaking down altcoins, their key zones of interest, and what I believe is their true potential for the next rally. Guys, the Altcoin Season Index is the primary indicator I use for trading alts. When it hits the Bitcoin season zone, that is the absolute best time to buy. Every altcoin I'm mentioning today will only interest me once the index drops into that target zone. LDO has been stuck in a massive accumulation since early 2022. Right now, the price has dipped into the lower boundary, which I believe is an attractive entry for a long-term position. We need to wait for the selling pressure to fade, and then we can look forward to a new all-time high. Trust Wallet token is the native coin of the wallet backed by Binance. Since the start of 2021, the price has also been in a massive accumulation phase. The range between $0.2 and $0.7 is a very promising zone to pick up some coins. My targets for this move would be anywhere above $1.6. Mantle is currently in a large sideways accumulation. The buy zone for this coin is anything below $0.8. My first target for the move up is $1.5, with the second target being a breakout to a new ATH. Uniswap is currently trading at its 2022 lows. Considering it's the largest decentralized exchange out there, the growth potential is massive. The current price, and anything below it, represents a great value for DCA. I'd set my initial targets above $12. Friends, wishing everyone massive profits.